This is Tom Brewer from Gordon, and today we're talking about renovation costs. Every building we renovated at some point. That's just a fact. Here's another. You can quickly and accurately estimate renovation costs in RSMeans Data Online. Let's check it out. Once you've logged into RSMeans Data Online, click the Square Foot Estimator tab. Select Commercial Renovation under Building category. Name your estimate and select the building type you plan to renovate. You'll find dozens of renovation models in our estimating software: apartments, hospitals, offices, warehouses, and more. Then you select the level of renovation, everything from cosmetic updates to a total gut job. You can change the square footage and enter building parameters and additives if you have any. If you don't, no worries, you can always adjust that later. Click Customize View Report, and just like that, you'll find a list of assemblies and renovation tasks, your total costs, and cost per square foot. Everything you need to budget for your next renovation project. And you can save, print, and export to Excel to share with your team. Get a better handle on your renovation costs. Shop rsmeans.com or contact our sales team today.